Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Biz Keys TV. And if you're new here, hello. As y'all can see from the title, my son wants to be a gamer. I don't even know if that's the title. I just bought him this desk chair. He has a desk in his room that my daughter gave him, and he wants to be a gamer. And he has a chair there too, but that chair needs to be replaced. So that's what I'm here to do. We are going to assemble this desk chair for him. Eventually, we'll work on getting him other items. He's over there, he's smiling. We got this desk chair from Walmart. He wanted one with the armrests on the side. This one doesn't have it. It was $29.99 at Walmart. Hopefully I got the right tools to assemble it. I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. Dang, this box is tightly sealed. What was the purpose of having the tape if it's really sealed?
I want to name it Sam. Actually, Junior.
You're gonna name your chair? Who names a chair? People name their cars, but not chairs. Y'all, this is, I'll be back.
Jeremy, name the chair.
Cause I can't, I'm struggling. Samaj opened the box for me. That boy got muscles cause mama weak. Ooh. So now we gotta unbox it.
Never mind, just look at it.
Got this. He got 5 wheels. Maybe in case you break one. The base of the chair. It looks like something from SpongeBob. That's the seat. The cushion for the seat. And then the back rest. Cardboard. The screws. Box is empty. Okay, so now we got everything out of the box. Where's the instructions? Gotta get the instructions. It should be fairly easy. I mean, it's just a chair. You got a lot of space to sit, buddy. Assembly instructions in English. We got them in Spanish. Step 1 says turn the star base upside down, press the caster into the holes at the end of each leg. So I got the wheels on. Okay, so let's open this part up.
Is that chair?
A new chair for him.
Oh,
He's
hey, Papa, you got a new chair.
This is the next step. Looks like a freaking muffler. So that's the next step. We gotta do that. Do it click or clack? I mean, they slid down though. It doesn't stay into place. Who knows? Okay. Step 3 says insert back cushion 6 into the rear hole, the seat cushion 5 as shown. That's what that looks like outside. That screen. Feels like a basketball hoop. What else you gonna be doing?
I play on my Nintendo Switch.
He plays on his Nintendo Switch and he builds his Legos. That's what he wants to do at the desk or just watch YouTube videos. The backrest and seat connected. Set that to the side. Next step, we have to connect the seat to the base. Let me see something. Is that gonna stay? Seems like it. You might have to sit on it afterwards. It's wobbly. Uh-oh. Okay, you guys, got that figured out. Last thing we need to do is put the cushion on. Should I rip this off? It's just pretty much hanging on, like. I mean, it's just a little dust. Ain't nothing wrong with that, boy. If it's content you want, it's content you get.
Content creator.
I'm very much so just that. Make sure it's over there. You got the handle out still. So you can lower it. You got the handle. Oh, I mean, raises. You gotta come sit in it. Sit in it. Now you push it
Oh, push it.
on that side. You ain't got that much weight to lower it? You holding it?
Yes.
Y'all, he light. Oh my
I
God.
drunk Pedialyte.
What does drinking Pedialyte got to do with the video?
Make people light.
Oh my God. You ain't even gonna be able to lower your own chair down. Here we go. Whoa! Low rider. Woo! You even make it go higher while you're sitting in it?
Yes.
Okay.
But
Okay.
not down. This.
That's the little thing we use to put the screws in.
Do, do.
That was a quick little assemble video. Like I said, he wants to be a little gamer. He's gonna be using his new chair to play his Nintendo Switch at his desk and building his Legos. He's too young for a YouTube channel, but he really wants to do YouTube. Anyways, if y'all want to see his Legos, because he built a ton of Legos. He has a lot of Legos that he built. and they're really cool. So if y'all want to see that, just leave it in a comment down below. That was it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.